Who even are you?
Oh, how rude of me. My name's Evan.
And where are we going?
Well, I was thinking, since you guys have never been outside, why not go to a park? When I was a teacher, there was this wonderful forest apart from the park, and the school would let us go there to learn more about nature.
Well, what's nature? Can you snort it?
No, don't do that.
Nah.
Please, it can be very dangerous.
Oh, please. Danger is our last name.
I thought it was Kino.
No, like, it's an expression to show that we live our lives on the edge.
I'm pretty sure the expression is middle name, not last. Anyways, we're here. So, this is outdoors. Aw, it likes you. So that's a butterfly. Okay, don't do that. Okay, so that was a butterfly there, completely harmless. They started off as a caterpillar, and then...
Hey, Evan, what the fuck is that?
Okay, Celeste, I love your enthusiasm about learning, but it's rude to interrupt.
Answer me!
What's the magic word?
Abracadabra?
Oh, right. When people say that they mean the word please, it's just nicer that way.
Just tell me what it is.
Alright, that's a tree.
What's its purpose?
Well, it gives up oxygen.
So, nothing important.
Not, well, exactly. Oxygen is what...
Useless? Okay, so maybe don't mess with the trees. Lindy, what is this?
What's what?
This!
Dirt, grass, thing we've been walking on.
Okay then, there's more dirt over there.
Yeah, okay, whatever. So, do you have any money? How are we gonna get a place? Trust me, apartments aren't exactly cheap.
Let's go to the dirt!
Or just ignore me. Whatever.
Ugh, so what, are we just gonna live here now?
Oh no, I have a home we can go to.
What's that?
It's a building where you go to live.
Like our apartment.
Yeah, like that. I don't have an apartment though. Not anymore.
Let's go.
Right now.
Yeah.
Take us to your secret base or whatever.
It's called a home.
Yeah, okay.
Well, let's get in the car. Well, this is it.
What's this?
That's a bookcase. It holds books. Think a bunch of words like what we're saying right now to make a story that's on paper.
Like a TV show.
Oh, yeah, but on paper. Celeste, are you okay?
Weak.
That's because it's made of glass.
Hello? Who's this?
Not sure.
My name's Jules.
And that one.
That's Lindy, my imaginary friend.
Well, wait, they can see me?
Yeah?
Very much.
Maybe you're their imaginary friend too. I don't think it works that way.
Yeah, also I'm a ghost. But I thought Jules could only see me because she's the one who summoned me.
Maybe only certain people can see you?
But why?
I'm hungry.
Here, we can get you guys a snack. I have oranges.
Yay! What's an orange?
I was just about to ask the same thing. Whoa!
Let's go to the kitchen. This is an orange. They grow in trees. Oh, and you'll have to peel the peel off.
They grow on what now?
Trees?
I don't want it.
Okay, you don't have to eat it if you don't want.
So, why are you guys here?
She's with more of them now. How perfect. Not only that, they also collect eyes. They have very nice skin, too. Soon enough, I'll be complete, and it will be perfect. I will be perfect. Don't you agree?